Okay, so this is Mia's first driving lesson. I have no idea if she has any experience at all. And today happens to be the morning after a snowstorm. So there's quite a bit of snow on the ground. This should be fun. We'll see what happens. Off we go. I'm just going to show you a couple of the gauges here and where everything is. You don't have to worry about anything in this area here. You don't have to worry about any of the buttons on the steering wheel. Show me a left signal and a right signal. Okay, you know where it is. And then this is just for your windshield here. We might need it today just to get the spray off the windshield. So to clean the windshield, you just pull it back, hold it, let it go. Okay. And it'll just go through its cycle. Okay. And then I don't think we'll need to put them on or anything, but if you need to clear your window, just let it pass once. You just press it up like this here and let it go. It'll just pass once.
So just pull it forward?
Yeah, if you need to clean it.
Okay.
Or up. If you don't need the juice, then you just up like that.
Okay.
Okay, so this vehicle here, it has an electric parking brake. Okay. So in other words, it doesn't have the lever like most vehicles do. Newer vehicles now, I guess they're moving more and more towards electric parking brakes because most people don't use the parking brake at all. Essentially, it's there for a reason, right? It gives you an extra layer of security. So every time you put it in park, in this vehicle, what I'll get you to do is verbalize, say, like, engage parking brake.
Okay.
Every time you put it in park. And then, so in order to get this thing into gear, your foot has to press the brake in. Go ahead, and then there's a little button back here. You press that and you can shift it into drive. And there we go. We're ready to go. So I'm just going to watch how you drive. Everybody starts at a different level. We'll make a right here.